In this tutorial, I will show you spiral tool in Adobe Illustrator. So let's dive into this. So you can access spiral tool from this stack. This is spiral tool. I am clicking and drawing an spiral, and you can see I didn't release the mouse yet. So if I then, without releasing the mouse, if I press Ctrl from the keyboard, you can see I can manage to create the shape. Okay, I can modify this shape. Okay, you can see if I click here, you can easily create. Let's see that this is this cape. You can manage to reshape the cape of the spiral. You can see if I hold down Alt, I am managed to cape the spiral. Now if you hold down reverse without releasing the mouse, it will reverse the spiral direction. You can see R. Okay, and if you hold on Shift, then you can rotate the angle in 45-degree onward. Okay, 45-degree orientation. You can create this. Okay, so I am releasing the mouse. I am happy with this, and you can draw the spiral tool. Again, if I click here and click here, you can see segments. If I write down 30 segments and okay, I am select this style. Okay, this is, here is the spiral has been created. So I am smaller the size of the spiral. Okay, so that it is fit on it. Also, if I hold down click and hold down Alt, I am clicking a single spiral. Okay, this is single spiral, and if I Ctrl C and Ctrl F it, and I can move it vertical orientation. Okay, and if I make this, you can see easily we can draw shape with it. Okay, so I hope you have learned something from this tutorial. If so, please subscribe this channel. Keep editing.